क्या आपने कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 2019 पढ़ा है? अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस एक्ट, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव अ प्रॉपर पेशेंट रिकॉर्ड और कोई लीगल डिस्प्यूट होता है तो कोर्ट में केस शुरू होने के पहले ही आप लौट जाओगे। वेलकम टू फ्यूमिडेंट, माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर मनीष आष्टनकर। आई एम अ फाउंडर ऑफ फ्यूमिडेंट विच वर्क्स फॉर इन्फेक्शन कंट्रोल इन डेंटिस्ट्री। जी हाँ, आपने सही सुना। इफ़ यू डोंट हैव अ प्रॉपर पेशेंट्स रिकॉर्ड, कोर्ट कैन चार्ज heavy penalty up to 10 lakhs. In current clinical practice, many dentists are still maintaining record in their diary, where we cannot maintain the whole patient's data in a one go. So, to solve this problem, we have launched Fumident India app, where we are listing dental clinics in infection control dental clinic category. And we are doing marketing for the same so that patients can book online appointment from this app and will get assurance about the listed clinic specifically in COVID-19 era. So let's see how this app works. So first of all, you have to download this app from Google Play App Store. Right now this app is available only for Android user. After that, you have to click on dentist registration button where you can fill all required information. After that, we will verify this information on our end. And once verification done, you can log in into your account. So let's see what features we have given in this app. First of all, you have to click on left side panel where you will get a different section. In this, click on a setting section where you can upload a nearby pharmacy detail so that you can send prescription directly from app. Next, you can set different appointment slots according to the number of dentists available in your clinic and their availability. Then go to facility section. Now here you can upload what facility you have for patient in your clinic, like root canal treatment or infection control protocol or cosmetic dentistry, as well as you can upload your clinic's photo or your case photo here. This is very important section because patient can evaluate your clinic based on whatever facilities you have given. Next, you can go to profile section. If you want to edit your profile after some time, you can edit here. Next is a receptionist button. In this section, you can add number of receptionists available in your clinic. Here we have given one separate facility for receptionists so that they can schedule patient's appointment separately in laptop or in their mobile phone. Coming to main section of this app, there is an add button. Suppose you have a walk-in OPD, you have to click on this button. Here you can upload all basic data of the patient. Likewise, if you have an online appointment booking, you will get patient's data automatically. After this, you can book patient appointment slot. Suppose you want to treat this patient today, you can book today's appointment slot. After this, you can go to search button or appointment button where you will get this appointment. After this, you have to click on appointment button where you can search schedule appointment according to the date. So once you search scheduled appointment according to date, you will get 6 buttons. So to maintain physical distancing at dental clinic in this pandemic, we have given this special feature. By clicking on message button, you can send alarm message to your patient just before scheduled appointment. Next, there is a history button. By clicking on this, you will get complete history of the patient. Now to maintain the whole case, we have to click on case button. Just as we used to record patient case history in our college time, here you can record a case history of patient, as well as you can upload IOPA of the patient and complete fees. Suppose you want to treat this patient today, so after treatment, you can click on work done, and here you can maintain whatever treatment you have done along with fees charged, as well as you can upload consent form and prescription form here. In addition to this, you can send message to your nearby pharmacist of whatever medicines you have prescribed to your patient. This feature we have added to support old patient to get medicine directly from pharmacy in your clinic. Similarly, if you are treating this patient for multiple times in future, at each appointment you can click on work done button and you can maintain whatever treatment you have done along with fees charged. At the end of whole treatment, you have to click on search button where you can search this patient by adding a phone number. Here you will get 3 buttons in which you have to click on copy link button, and then you can send the whole patient's recorded data on your WhatsApp number or patient's WhatsApp number, as well as you can take print of this by opening your WhatsApp on laptop, and you can maintain the whole printed record in your file for future reference. One more feature is there in this app. By clicking on search button, any dentist in any part of world can search the old record of patient very easily. So this app will make patient's treatment record maintenance very easy for every dentist, as well as to avoid legal disputes in future. So this app is freely available on Play Store, from where you can download this app. And one more announcement from Fumident. For upgradation of dentistry, we are taking free training session for dental clinic staff as well as dentist. The first one is infection control in dentistry, second one is emergencies in dentistry, and third one is communication skill to interact with patient. We are giving 3 training session at absolutely free of cost for first 100 user of this app. So download Fumident India app and get all this feature at absolutely free of cost. Thank you.